Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how an internet banking terminal works step by step. An internet banking terminal is a self-service computer or kiosk that allows customers to access online banking services securely. In simple words, it works like a digital banking station where users can log in, check account details, make transactions, and use internet banking tools without needing direct teller support. First, the customer starts the session by approaching the internet banking terminal and touching the screen or using the system to begin. The terminal opens the banking interface and prepares the user for the next step. Next, the user selects the online banking service needed from the menu. For example, the terminal may offer account login, balance inquiry, fund transfer, bill payment, mini statement, or other service requests. This helps the customer quickly choose the exact function they want to use. After that, the customer logs in securely. This is usually done by entering account credentials, card details, a username, password, or PIN. As a result, the system ensures that only authorized users can access the banking account. Then, the system performs identity verification. In many cases, it may use OTP verification, account checks, or additional security steps such as confirmation codes. This stage adds an extra layer of protection and helps keep the banking session secure. Once the login and verification are completed, the customer gains access to the banking dashboard. At this point, the user can see account details, recent transactions, available balances, and the main internet banking functions provided by the system. After that, the customer enters the required transaction details. For example, if the user wants to transfer money, they may enter the destination account number, amount, and reference information. Similarly, for bill payments or other requests, the needed information is entered into the terminal. Then, the terminal securely connects to the bank system for processing and confirmation. The bank system checks the entered details, processes the request, and confirms whether the transaction has been completed successfully. Finally, the session ends with a receipt or digital confirmation. At the same time, the account is updated, and the customer receives proof that the transaction or request has been completed. Overall, an internet banking terminal provides online banking access, supports multiple services, keeps transactions secure, and offers convenient self-service. Therefore, it is a useful tool for customers who want quick and easy access to internet banking without waiting for teller assistance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.